Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the HyperX FURY S Speed Edition Pro Gaming Mousepad. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a HyperX FURY S Speed Edition Pro Gaming Mousepad, and this one is in the largest size, in the extra large size, measuring 900mm by 420mm or 90 centimeters by 42 centimeters. It's also available in small, medium and large. So this one is the largest, being the extra large size. And just taking a look at the back of the box packaging, there are some features and specifications in various languages for this HyperX FURY S Speed Edition Pro Gaming Mousepad. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. By cutting apart the clear sticky seals. That's keeping the box securely sealed and giving you a look directly inside of the box. Let's slide the HyperX FURY S Speed Edition Pro Gaming Mousepad out from its box packaging and just making sure that's nothing else left in the box packaging. We can set that to the side, so let's just set it on the right hand side of the table. And giving you a look at this mouse pad straight out of its box packaging. Let's go ahead and unroll it. So we can see this is the underside of the mouse pad with a rubber backing. But nonetheless, flipping it right around, and now I have to move the box out of the frame and giving you that full and clear view of this extra large Pro Gaming Mousepad. And we can see the Speed Edition graphics on it with that spectral light red swirl against the black background. So right there, giving you a full look at this mouse pad, and I'm going to rest my hand in the middle of it to give you some sense of the size and scale of this mouse pad. So 90 centimeters long and 42 centimeters deep. And it does have some weight to it, and it has about a 3 to 4 millimeter thickness, and of course the stitched anti-fraying edges. So giving you that close-up look, and you can see the density and surface of this low friction design, designed for speed, being the Speed Edition. You can see that it does have that shiny sheen for its surface texture, and giving you a much closer in look at the stitched edges designed to prevent fraying, and of course taking a look at that rubber backing as well on the underside, which has of course a slip resistant design. So giving you a look at the details, and right there just folding it pretty much on itself, and the opposite way as well. And you can see that it does have a mostly rigid design, flipping it back into shape. So giving you a side view look. So back and the front side of this extra large Pro Gaming Mousepad and its overall details. And of course we see the HyperX branding and graphics in the lower right hand corner of this mouse pad. And I'm going to give you a much closer in look. So you can see the overall design once again, and that consistent anti-fraying stitch design around the entire edge or border of this mouse pad. And this time taking a much closer in look at the underside. As you can see, the traction pattern with the rubber backing or underside for stability, and the anti-slip properties. So let's take a much closer in look, and just running my finger along that surface, and I've rolled it back slightly so you can see the depth and overall construction and quality of this gaming mouse pad. And just running my finger along the top or gaming surface. And you can hear that very fine weave of this mouse mat with that low sheen reflection. So right there, giving you a look at the sturdiness or floppiness of this mouse pad. And we can see on the reverse side, giving you a full look right there. And in the corner, we can see the model designation with the Kingston branding on it. So giving you a very full and thorough sense of this mouse pad and its overall design, and of course the size as well, being the largest of the range from the HyperX FURY S Pro gaming mouse pads. So just dusting off any lint that's been picked up from the tabletop, just so you have a full and clean look at this mouse pad. Okay, and now let's bring this Logitech G703 Lightspeed gaming mouse, which I've unboxed on the YouTube channel before. And let's place it on the mouse pad and test it out by just sliding it around to give you some sense of this low friction speed edition design. And right there you can see a pretty smooth slide and glide of the mouse by just merely pushing it side to side along the mouse pad. And giving you some sense of the sound and noise as well. So that's the HyperX FURY S Speed Edition Pro Gaming Mousepad. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!